Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the breathtaking Niagara River Recreational Trail in the Niagara Region of Ontario. This trail stretches along the mighty Niagara River, offering stunning views and a unique glimpse into the natural and historical wonders of the area. As you ride along, you'll be treated to picturesque scenes of the river, with the serene waters flowing towards the famous Niagara Falls. The Niagara River has been a significant geographical feature for centuries, serving as a natural border between Canada and the United States. It played a crucial role in the War of 1812, with many historic sites and monuments along the trail that commemorate this important period in history.
Thank you very much.
As you cycle, you might notice plaques or markers that provide insights into the region's past. The trail itself is part of a larger network that connects various attractions in the Niagara region, including parks, wineries, and charming towns. It's a popular route for both locals and tourists, offering a safe and scenic path for cyclists, walkers, and joggers. The trail is well maintained, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely ride or a more vigorous workout. Along the way, you'll pass through beautiful landscapes, from lush greenery to open fields, with the river always in view. The area is also rich in biodiversity, with many species of birds and other wildlife calling the riverbanks home. It's a perfect spot for nature lovers and those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're here to enjoy the natural beauty, explore the historical sites, or simply get some exercise, the Niagara River Recreational Trail offers something for everyone. Thanks for watching!